Hello everybody, this is Lena from Just a Little Bit Country, and I'm going to show you how those molds turned out I did yesterday of my mama's, with my mama's picture on them. Oh, LA girls. So, we have this one for my granddaughter Madison. We have this one for my granddaughter Carmen Jade. We have this one for my brother. And we have this one for my granddaughter Nevaeh. I have to put the dates on it. It's the only one that needs the dates put on it. So those are those. Okay. This one here is my grandson Sid's. We still have to write Mama on the top of it, and we have to glue it on here and put the dates. But this is my grandson Sid and my son Ricky's. Yeah. So we got that. So we have to put that together today. We will go ahead and unmold the lotus. So here's how the lotus turned out. And it will go with the other lotus, and my daughter Alieska will get the blue ones. You have a little bird. I'm going to go ahead and unmold it. I may use it on one of the heart molds that I'm making. I can get it out of here, little bird. Ouch. I don't know what to do. Bluebird. That is pretty. Ooh, look how pretty he turned out. Little bird. So he could sit like this. Or like this on one. He'd be pretty just like that on top of one of these. My mama likes birds, so that would actually be really cute like that. Or even sitting like that at the top of one of them. We've got little bird made. We'll put him here. Let's see about these little guys. We have this one that says Ouija on it. Put him up there. And we have this one that says, just got the eye on it. Planchette. It goes with the Ouija board. It's the pointer. And then this one just has a star on it. They're going to go to my granddaughters. I'm going to leave it here in case I have to use it again. Let's get the excess stuff off of it. Really cool. You never know what you might be able to use these pieces for. My children would say, "Mom, you're hoarding crap again." Be true. Could be true. It is what it is, though. So, yeah. I'm going to put that there. Maybe that's what I want to make. Let's see if there's anything else in here that I might. Just might possibly want to pour. Oh, I know what I want to pour. I need to pour one of these things for Carmen Jade. Where's the one with just the one girl on it? There she is. That's what I need to pour today. Those need to be washed. I need to pour this little thing here with just the one little girl on it, because that is what the Virgo is. I looked it up. Oh, I looked it up. She's kind of cute. I might pour those instead of planchettes. Planchettes up there. Pour these instead. We will pour these instead. We'll pour that little girl one. And we'll pour, let's see, I got Rick that one poured already. Yeah, that's what I'll do. I'm gonna pour this. Put this over here like this. Pour that, and we'll pour this. We're gonna pour another bird. And I really need to find, where did I put it? I need to do, where did I put the little guy? I need to find that one I just got. Where's he at? Where did he go? I just got one in the mail of a, we have to find it. We need to pour a little bitty dragon. I just don't know where I put the little guy. Dragon may have to wait till another day because I don't know where the dragon is. Okay. Dragon's gonna have to wait. Because Mama don't know where the dragon is. Okay, that won't be today. Might not be ever coming back in here. Goodness, we're gonna have to all have it clean down here. Let's see. Uh-oh. We might have it down here. There's a big dragon down here. Nope, he's not down here, but I need to move some of these. One up here down here. They're too fat for the drawer. They are getting too fat for the drawer up here. Put them down here, silly. How's Havoc? Where I can't get anything in and out. There we go. You should do that. Alright. Ow. Sorry, Whoopi, you're in a bad place, as I told you before. Okay, so let's kind of get all my stuff out. Oh, I'm going to have to get some stuff, and I'm going to have all my supplies before I pack them in, aren't I? You have to. That's awful pretty. Sticky. But pretty. See if I can cut that off of there. That could be used as a moon. Get all this crap off of him. He really could be used as a moon. And then something sticking out of him. Wow. Okay. Lots and lots of cool things. Get another bowl. Give me some stuff to clean these things with. Like alcohol, just for mold. Alcohol strictly for molds is what I need. Not to be used for any other pleasure. Old dog getting on my nerves. She just wants to chew up everything she can stick in her mouth. She's not picky about what it is either. That is right now. Good thing I bought some more, huh? Can't brush anything on with that one. It's dead. This is a picture of Mom we're going to use. Let's get her out of there for a second. We are going to go ahead and we're going to use how much left after that one. Let's see how much resin we've got. Do we have any resin? Come on out of there. I know we got some in there somewhere. I have to stand it up, get all of it to come out of the top of it. What I'm doing, trying to get all the resin to come out of here. I'm just going to use that amount right there, and I'll put the lid on this and turn it upside down over here so it can start collecting the rest. So I can get the rest out of it later on. Well, maybe. Okay, so let's pour this one in here so we know we got 50 of it. Of that one. And let's see if we can get 50 of this one. I know we can get 50 of this one. We're not there at 50. We still have a little bit of that left. Let's pour this one in here. This mixed up. It's going to probably be my first layer. I'm going to glue this one together with it, and that's going to be my first layer with Mom's picture in it. And it's just going to be clear until it dries. This is just 50 milliliters. I got it in here right now. Not very many. 50's not very many. Alright, so let's get this one. And I'm going to do this right here. Just put this in here. And over here on this side. So I can stick it to it. Stand it up on it, and we're going to set it right over here to dry. Set it right there to dry. So that's really right here. I'm going to go ahead and we're going to pour this in here all the way around. Go ahead and pour some of this in here. We're going to figure out what we're going to put in it. But I Where did my little bubbles and bubbles go? Where did it go? There's these. These are orange ones. What are we making it for? Go. Anybody know what I did with my little flicker? Huh. Oh, there it is. I'm lost. I'm lost. I'm lost. Let's get all the bubbles out while we can. Burn my finger in the process. That hurts. Okay. Burn my finger in the process. Taking a picture of my mom. Put that in here. Okay, put it down in there. I just want that to sit down in there right over the top. That's what we want. But I've used the red ones for food writing. So I'm hiding over here somewhere. Oh yes, they are. There they are. They're right there. There's a few of these little bobbles in here. Making Allen's right now. That's who's we're going to make right now is Allen's. There's some more of that. Don't go very far. Does not go very far at all. Put it over here. This needs a little bit of glitter. This needs a little bit. See, I gotta put this up here now too. It's gotta go right there. One little bubble. Oops, I didn't do that yet, did I? Gosh, damn it, let me get him out of there because I gotta do it behind. Come on. There we go. This one is slow. Come on in there. Blue one needs to sit up against that. So that's gonna have to dry like that before I put anything else in it. I will go ahead and use the rest of this in this bottom thing here. I'm going to go ahead and add a little more glitter and use it back here. Okay, so if I was going to put a bird on that one, Alyeska would want her bird to be blue, I'm sure. I'm sure she would want it to be bird. Probably want to use this thing. Just use this instead. Mixing up some blue to pour in the bird. I used the mica powder. I put these down on the bottom there and also some glitter. color we want to make it just yet. We're going to